Welcome back, Facebook users. Are you tired of missing important events and reminders on Facebook? Well, worry no more. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the steps of turning on notifications for reminder events on Facebook using your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook. Step 2. Click on the notification icon from the top right corner. Step 3. Click on the three dots. A drop-down menu will appear. Step 4. Click on Notification Settings. Step 5. Scroll down to find Events and click on it. Step 6. Toggle on the switch next to Allow Notifications on Facebook. This will enable notifications for events. Step 7. Toggle on the switch next to Reminders. This will ensure you receive notifications specifically for reminders. Step 8. Choose between push, email, or SMS. Select your preferred method of receiving notifications for reminders, and there you have it. By following these easy steps, you can now receive notifications for reminder events on Facebook using your PC. Stay organized and never miss an important event or reminder again.